Waffles, and today I'm out here at Rainforest Cafe in Galveston, Texas. I'm joined by my friend Devin today. Are you excited?
Yes.
This is our first time at the Rainforest Cafe. There's also a Rainforest River Adventure Ride. We're gonna ride that afterwards. That looks like fun. Really excited to check that out. Really excited to check Rainforest Cafe out. This is my first time ever at this restaurant, any location, anywhere. It's gonna be great. Nice big waterfall out here. It's beautiful. It is raining a little bit, so let's go inside. This is Tracy Tree right here.
The rainforests of Australia and New Zealand are home to lories and cockatoos.
Here's a look at the gift shop at Rainforest Cafe. Some rocks, some squishmallows. Got some Galveston Island t-shirts over here. Some Rainforest Cafe t-shirts. There's Tracy Tree. Some more Rainforest Cafe shirts. Then over here is a Build-A-Bear workshop. Look at this. Oh, you can get a Rainforest Cafe frog at Build-A-Bear workshop. And some monkeys, gorillas, orangutans, pandas. They got every animal you could ever need. Animatronic snake just hanging from the ceiling. Luckily, he's friendly. We follow the frog prints on the ground. Hello.
Is this your first time here, guys?
Yes, it is. Awesome, thank you.
And we have the restaurant, but they exit inside the bar.
Okay, we're at our table now, right next to the fish tank. Get some fish over here. And over there is the waterfall with the big statue. There's a rainbow.
Look at it.
It says, "Rescue the rainforest." Here are the smoothies at Rainforest Cafe. So these three, Key Wester, Brazilian Freeze, and Raspberry Lemonade Freeze are the smoothies. The rest are on the rocks. I got this one, and Devin got this one. Here's a look at the menu. Here are the appetizers. They got some seafood, beef, pork, and chicken. Some pastas and sandwiches. Here's my smoothie. This is the Brazilian Freeze. Which one did you get? The Raspberry Lemonade Freeze.
Raspberry lemonade freeze, yeah.
Raspberry Lemonade Freeze. My first sip of the Brazilian Freeze smoothie here at Rainforest Cafe. That's pretty good. That's a good smoothie. Wow, that's really good. That's really good. How was your smoothie?
It's great. I love it very, very much.
Awesome. As you can see, the atmosphere here at Rainforest Cafe is amazing. Great ambiance, amazing scenery. Absolutely amazing scenery. The scenery is great. Look at all that. Fish tanks everywhere. Animatronics. There's an animatronic butterfly right behind me. Right next to a fish tank as well. This place is great. What's happening? What's happening? What's going on? thunderstorm. Uh-oh. Oh, the elephants are going crazy. What, the monkeys? We just barely survived a thunderstorm in the rainforest. What do you think about that?
10 out of 10. Very scary. Won't do it again.
The food, I got the Rainforest burger. No onions or tomatoes. What did you get, Devin?
I got a Iggy's Piggy Sandwich.
Iggy's Piggy Sandwich. It's a Cuban sandwich. We also got some Rainforest fries. Looks good. How is it? Here's the first bite of the Rainforest burger. That's pretty good. Here's a look at the Rainforest Cafe burger. Look at that. It's so good. That's a good burger. Here's a look at the bar at Rainforest Cafe. We're in another thunderstorm, as you can see. Lights are flickering. There's thunder everywhere. Here's a look at the prices. So we got a Dr. Pepper that cost us $3.75. Smoothie was $4.99. For some reason, the other smoothie was more. And then a sandwich for $19.99, and then a burger for $18.99. Total came out to $53.21. Had some tax. It's $57.60. Okay, we just finished our meals at the Rainforest Cafe. What do you think about that?
It was great. I loved it.
How was the experience?
There was 2 storms. There was a bunch of animals moving around, a bunch of monkeys and frogs.
What about the food?
It was good.
How's your burger?
It was good.
You said you didn't like it that much.
I didn't, but I want to lie.
Don't lie.
No, you can't.
Talk about the burger. Talk about the burger.
Cubano sandwich was not it. Okay, it hurt my stomach very much.
So he got Iggy's Piggy Sandwich. He said he didn't really enjoy it that much. I thought my burger was pretty good. I got the Rainforest burger. It was a pretty darn good burger. Overall, I think you're mainly paying for the experience. There's animatronics everywhere. There's fish tanks everywhere. It's a really great atmosphere. It's so loud in there. There's a waterfall. There's thunder. There's music. It's super loud. It's a crazy experience. It's a really, really different restaurant. It's just bizarre, and it's so much fun. I highly recommend it. I thought it was going to be a little bit more expensive. It was about $57, which isn't too bad for 2 people. Overall, I had a great time. I highly recommend it. But stay tuned. We're not done here yet. Next, we have the Rainforest River Adventure Ride. Yeah, stay tuned. And now it is time for the Rainforest Cafe River Adventure Ride. Devin, what is going through your mind right now? What are you thinking? Are you prepared for the River Adventure Ride?
No, I'm not. I'm definitely not. But I'm prepared now. Okay, 30 seconds.
You better get ready.
30 seconds is all it took.
There it is right there. The River Adventure Ride. We've made it.
Rainforests are home to
River Adventure Ride this way. Oh, this is interesting. Heavily themed queue line. Oh, here we are. Here are the boats. We're on the ride. Oh, this is kind of spooky. Look at all this fog. Wow. Whoa. The boat's moving. Whoa. Iguana. Lots of animatronics over here. Whoa. Boat's rocking. Look at this place. This is a huge show building. This is so cool. There's lights everywhere. There's animatronics everywhere. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, watch out. There's a cheetah. Oh, he's got a blow dart. This is awesome. Monkeys! He has a banana! He has a banana! They all have bananas. Where'd they get the bananas? He is amazed at the monkeys. I am too. This is a little spooky. There's some eyes over here behind the bushes. It's kind of spooky. Oh, I hear an elephant. Oh, watch out, there's a snake. He's gonna get ya. He's coming right for you, watch out. Oh, it's a baby monkey. Monkeys. Oh, a big giraffe. Wow, look at that. Waterfall. Zebras. Zebras. Gorilla. Watch out, behind you. It's an alligator. 2 alligators. Oh, look at that waterfall. Hippopotamus. Oh no, they're tusk. He's missing his tusk. Vulture. Vulture? I think so. Giant butterfly. Uh-oh. There's a tiger. Now we're starting to spin. We hit some rapids and we're spinning a little bit now. Look at that. Tiger right behind me. Oh, we're headed into a temple. Oh, this looks awfully spooky. I don't like this one bit. There's some glowing snakes over there. Oh my goodness, what is that? This doesn't look good. Uh-oh, I don't think we're supposed to be in here. Look at that. That's not a good sign. Uh-oh. He's not happy with us. Oh no. Those are the victims of the Rainforest Adventure Ride. That is the end of the ride. We're back at the station. Okay, we just got off the Rainforest Cafe River Adventure Ride. That was awesome. What did you think about it, Devin?
I thought it was great. There was a bunch of cool animatronics and stuff doing funny business.
There were a bunch of different scenes. There was this indoor temple. There were so many animatronics. The lighting was great. The atmosphere was great. That was such a fun ride. So I think tickets for the Rainforest ride were about $7 each. It costed a total of $16.50, I think, for the two of us. So not too bad. The ride lasted about 5 minutes, I would say. You think that's about right?
I think it was probably like 5 or 6 minutes.
5 or 6 minutes. It was a pretty long ride. So I'd say you get your money's worth. I definitely recommend it. It was really heavily themed. So many
The theme was great. The scenery, everything was great.
The theming was fantastic. So many animatronics, so many little details. It was great. If you enjoyed watching, stay tuned. I'm going to check out more tourist attractions just like this one. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.